and relax and enjoy. The most important thing I would say to you, sit down and enjoy the flight. Button your seatbelt and just enjoy the flight, man. All right, enjoy the flight. So basically what you want to do is soak your carrot into some baking soda water. Okay, that's what you need to do, and it is important for you to do this one. Yeah, man, must big up yourself. We're going to move this and put it one side. Yeah. We're going to get the blender. Here it is. Give thanks to you, big up yourself, coming on the show and support the progress, you know what I mean, of Chef Ricardo Cooking. We're gonna get some ginger, you know. Oh, this ginger does it good. Let's get some fresh ginger. Fresh ginger. We are gonna get some fresh ginger. Let's get some fresh ginger, guys. Some of your favorite. All right. Yeah, man. Fresh ginger. I was gonna make some nice, lovely, fry up food and thing today, but I got these things I need to use up. I said that's the only option today is use up these ingredients, man. All right. Yeah, fresh ginger. All right, that's the fresh ginger, guys. We need this. All right. I was going to put some beetroot in it, but earlier today we did beetroot juice, so I want to keep it a little bit different. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing at the moment. We're just keeping it a little bit different in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right. Wash off these carrots. Lovely. So we washed off the carrots. All right. Yeah. And what we're going to do, as I said, we're going to just to make sure some of these carrot have some black spot on them. I don't like it, so let me just, and now I'll get everything perfect, guys, but you have to be careful. E Roses in the building, pick up yourself. All right, carrot. Carrot. Lovely. This is excellent. All right. Feel like I would do some cooking in the evening, you know, guys. That's the vibe, Chef Ricardo right now. I will do some serious cooking right now, guys. Cook some different kind of food. Lemon. Squeeze up some lemon inside of this thing, guys. Alright, we're not gonna blend the lemon in it. We'll tell you when to put the lemon in it. We're gonna get some water. About a cup of water. Large cups of water. You know, carrot is good for you though. A lot of people don't believe in your carrot. Carrot is powerful, guys. Blend it up. Good for your eyesight. Make you see far more than what you used to see 10 years ago. That's looking good. Carrot, ginger, right here. Before going further, grab yourself a copy of the excellent book. Lots of people talking about the book. Lots of people are getting it. Lots of people are supporting. Some people still say, yes, we will support you, Chef Ricardo, because you're giving us free recipe over the last half a century. Let's blend, make some noise. What do you think? Don't tell me this is turning into a smoothie like. Don't go that far. Messing up the whole place. Put a little bit more water in the business, guys. Free up the blender. Laptop in it, you know there. Alright. You know you can put turmeric if you want a stronger color, but we're not gonna do that. Nice. Whoa, whoa. It's blending up like a storm in the evening. All right. Then that's when I hit that burner. Wow. Hans Cooking and More is in the building. Big up yourself. Happy New Year, Hans Cooking and More. Yeah, man. That's ginger. Here it is. That looking excellent. Look at that. You can do this at home, guys. I think I'm gonna cook some food. I wanna cook some food. Wow. That's good, guys. Honestly. That is good, good. Yeah. That is really good. That looking good. I love this one. I'm not telling no lie. I love it. My heart touch when I see things like this, man. I don't know about you guys, but trust me, look at this. My grandmother, she'll be wasting her time and great night. Grandma, bless you. Because right now, no one I use grater no more. Everyone is using this fasting and everything done in 10 minutes. My grandmother would do a thing like this. And squeeze you out. Who remember these days? They use their hand and squeeze it like this. And they squeeze it. Once your hand clean, man, you can put your hand inside of it. Grandma, I'm so sorry. Nobody now use grater no more. Everyone is using and you know, I add pasta to the carrot and drink it twice a week. What that do to you know? What that do to your immune system? Share that with me. All right. You know when you drink carrot on its own, yeah, you make you see better than 10 years ago. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. It make you see better. Squeeze some lemon inside of it. Look at that. That's what carrot do to your immune system. A little bit more lemon juice. Nice. So basically, when you drink carrot juice, it makes you see better than 10 years ago. All right. Right now, if you drink this, you're gonna see much better than 10 years ago. All right. Rich source of vitamin and clear up the liver. 100% effective. You can put garlic in it. You can put some ginger in it. But guess I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. All right. You know what is this? Jamaica Valley pimento seed. I don't know about them things, guy. I'm going to a little bit of tips and ideas of what's going on in the kitchen. Pimento seed. Let that sit in the fridge for another 30 minutes and you drink it. Jamaica Valley pimento seed. I say, guys, I want to get some pimento seed. Good vibes. Yeah. So let that sit in it for a couple of minutes and you drink it. All right. Don't swallow the seeds. You just want to make sure you drink it without the seeds. All right. That's Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes. My signature is on that one. All right, guys. Yeah, man. Signature is on it. 10 o'clock tonight, I'm going to show you how to make the world's most powerful drink ever exists on earth. Here it is. 10 o'clock tonight, we're going to be doing this one. All right. How do you order from the UK? So this one is going to be, you have to go on their website, jamaicavalley.co.uk, and you can order it if you're in the UK because it's a UK-based company. This one, medication. This one, right here. This one is apple cider vinegar. And look at this. All right. You guys didn't see this last night. Did you miss it? Hans Cooking. You missed that last night. You know, this is good for you because you're working very hard. All right. So what you want to do? Take 1 teaspoon of this right here. Craig, make sure you do this one, you know, because no one in the world don't have this except Chef Ricardo. 1 teaspoon. Weight loss. Hans Cooking. You know what is this? Apple cider vinegar. All right. Apple cider vinegar and cinnamon stick. Soaking into apple cider vinegar. Take 1 teaspoon every single day. All right. If you don't like it, it's gonna burn you, but yeah, but it's powerful. Yeah, this is cinnamon into apple cider vinegar water. All right. This is powerful, guys. This is not a normal thing. Yeah, man. Apple cider vinegar with cinnamon. The secret from Chef Ricardo. This was eaten for 500,000 years. All right. And then I come across it and I say, I want to share it with my audience. Good vibes. This one, this recipe, carrot juice, is 600 year old. Good vibes. All right, guys, let's pour it out. Wow. That is amazing. Yeah, man. Something different for you guys today. What do you think about that one? Tell me, what do you think? All right. If it is something you guys would make at home. All right. If it is something you guys want to make at home, yeah, man, please let me know. Big up my Facebook audience. Job on yourself. Big up on yourself. And thank you for coming on the show. We appreciate the love. Big up the TikTok crew. Big up Chef Art. Thank you so much. Anne's Cooking and More. E-Rose. Big up on yourself. Every one of you guys who take the time. Come. Craig is in the building. Looks amazing. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Anne's Cooking and More. Bless up yourself. Full of energy. Thank you so much for passing through.